and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is the power of words. In this presentation we will talk about the incredible power of words and how we can use it properly to have better communication with friends, relatives, clients. It is a valuable tool that will improve our lives. In this title slide we will play with the shapes of the circle and we will use white color and shades of brown. As usually, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We put them in the description too. So we go right click in the design area, format background, and we choose fill color, the first light gray for our background. First we will insert a circle. We go to insert ribbon, we choose shapes, choose oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. We will give the proportions of this circle to make the same design and you can practice with us, but we will change it. So we go to shape format ribbon, to the right height we put 23 centimeters, or if you have inches in your settings it's about 9.05 inches, and 23 centimeters to width. We put the circle in the position that we want, but because we don't want to have a small gap here and here, at the bottom right of the slide, at the upper right of the slide, we will lengthen the circle. So we go to the white dot and we lengthen it. And that's it. Now we want to put another 5 circles, but first we want to color the circle. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the first color outside of the design area, click it, shape outline, no outline. Then we copy it one more time, right click copy, right click paste, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the second color outside of the design area, we place it in the desired position. Right click paste, shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the third color outside of the design area, right click copy, right click paste, shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the last color from outside from the design area. And now we want to, with Ctrl Shift command, we lengthen the circles. If you want to work the circles better and easier, we go to Home, Ribbon, we click Select, Selection pane, and we see all the elements inside our slide and outside too. Now we want to put picture inside the last circle that we have created. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Pictures, this device, we choose the picture that we want, click Insert, right click in the picture, cut, and we go to right click format shape, fill picture or texture fill, and click clipboard. We want to crop the image. Go to picture format, crop, and we did it. And we crop it. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. We always make sure that the image we insert is relevant to our topic. We see that we have chosen the large size of the image so that it is not blurred. We always pay attention to this. It is not necessary to cut off the parts of the circles that protrude into the design area because they simply will not show. Now we are going to write our title at the left side of the slide. We go to insert ribbon, we choose text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to font, we choose Pan Roman, size 40, bold, color eyedropper, we choose the first color outside of the design area, and we write the title. The artistry of language, unleashing, the incredible power of words. Below I will write the name of the presenter and I will separate the title from the name of the presenter with a small rectangle that will look like a line. We go to insert ribbon, we choose text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose again Pan Roman font from the home ribbon, size 20, color brown again, color eyedropper, choose the first color outside of the design area, and we write by Martha G. Santos. We click bold, Pan Roman, bold. We go to insert ribbon, we choose shapes, click in the rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the first brown color outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. And we are done. Now that we have finished with the design, it is time for animation. So we go to the first circle, we choose animations ribbon, entrance, float in, duration 0.50, start with previews, effect options, float up, as it is. We go to the second circle, entrance, float in again, duration 0.50, start after previews, effect options, float up, as it is. We go to the third circle, entrance, float in, duration 0.50, start after previous, effect options float up as it is. We go to the fourth circle with the image, entrance float in, start after previous, duration 0.50, effect options float up. But we see that we want to put another circle. Right click copy, right click paste, that we forgot it. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, choose the last color outside of the design area, right click, bring to front. And we adjust the circle in the desired position. First we want to go to animations, animation pane. We delete the image circle, we go to the almost white circle, we choose float in, duration 0.50, start after previous, effect options float up as it is, and then we go to the circle with the image, entrance float in again, duration 0.50, start after previous. We see the order of our animations here. If we want to change the order, we just move the animations. We can delete it, we can do a lot of things. Effect options float up, okay. Then we go to the title, entrance zoom, duration 1, start after previous, effect options object center as one object as it is. We go to the small rectangle, entrance fly in, start after previous of course, duration 0.75, effect options from left. Because we like it that way, we go to the presenter's name, entrance zoom, duration 0.50 as it is, start after previous, effect options object center as one object as it is, and we are done. Now we go to the slideshow button, click it to see the result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!